Freckles is, well, I suppose she's a sheep now. She was last year's lamb. She was born with her legs twisted. It's quite common among sheep. She was a twin, and the mum rejected her because obviously she was disabled. She came to us by a series of accidents. She is very sweet. She's very loving. One of the volunteers, Marcy, ran a Facebook campaign to raise money. We raised €750 in literally 48 hours, I think. And Freckles has a wheelchair. And she's learning to use it now. It's going to take a lot of time because obviously it's all new for her. But she's going to do it because she's the luckiest sheep in North County Dublin. She's still alive against all the odds, against a whole series of circumstances. She ended up with us. She could do it. We know she can. She's a little fighter. I think it's like almost when you put a baby in a walker, they always go backwards first. And she's just learning. It's all really new to her, you know. So she has to go into her wheelchair for an hour every day, and we have to go through the process. And her story is simply that I rang up looking for turkey chicks because I wanted to show children what turkeys actually look like instead of turkeys wrapped up in cellophane in a supermarket. I got a number of a farmer, and anyway, basically his turkey chicks were too expensive for me. We don't have a lot of money here, so I said, no, I can't afford to buy your chickens and your turkey chicks. And he said, well, I've got an old lamb here and I'm going to probably get rid of her. And I said, we'll take her. And St Anne City Farm was set up, well, we've been here about 2 years, but this was a car park when we came. So we've actually raised the funding for all of this with the help of City Council, Pobble, Google. It's run by volunteers, so everybody here is a volunteer, and we raise our own funding. And all the animals here are either rescued or have had to be rehomed for whatever reason. Sometimes people just can't keep their animals. You know, very sad stories. People have to move from a flat and can't take their rabbit with them or whatever. So they've either had to be rehomed or they've come to us because they needed a home. And this is their forever home. They will always be here. This is where they live.